Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. so yeah, on this video, we will discuss about Multcloud. All right, Multcloud, by the way, is a very nice platform because you can manage all of your storage in one platform. This is a very nice website and application where you can manage all of those things. For me, I do have a lot of pictures, datas, and informations, right, that I need to store so that whatever happened, I still have it. All right. So just like with the pictures of my mom and dad, and with my late grandmother. So yeah, those informations that we want to back up, all right, especially that we're running a business. So yeah, we really have to have this kind of website or platform. All right. So yeah, first is we will discuss about Multcloud. So Multcloud, it's a platform where you can manage all the cloud accounts in one place. All right. Um, Shows here that connect it will connect all your clouds to Multcloud, and you will find it so easy to access and manage multiple cloud storage files with a single login. So you can easily upload any documents that you have. Just you can go copy and paste, and you can rename those files that you have as well. All right. Um, so as what you can see, it will show here like a cloud logo, the Google Drive box, and there's a lot more. Google Drive, Google Workspace, OneDrive for Business, SharePoint, Dropbox, Dropbox Business, Mega, Google Photos. Yeah, this is very nice. Cloud Photos, FTP, Box, Box for Business. We need this one if you're running a business. So next is, yeah, there's a lot more. Oh my gosh, this is very nice, amazing. And there is MySQL as well. This is trending. Amazon S3. Nice. A Drive, Sugar Sync, Backblaze, Cubby. Oh, this Wasabi. This is very nice. Yandex. Alrighty. So I do have already an account. Mm, with Multcloud, but let's see. Because it shows here that you can get started for free. Okay. So let's see, for free. Okay, to sign up, get free 5 gigabytes data traffic every month. Okay, this is nice. So you do have an option to log in to create an account using Google, Facebook, or iCloud or Apple login. Just read, or you can go to multcloud.com and you can see this one, guys. All right, so next is you need to choose what login that you want to use. So for me, I use my Google, all right, Google account. So this is my Google account. Just click your Google account and then you will be routed to this page. Just click continue. And here it is. This is very nice. So earlier I did click this Google Drive button, and then there's a pop up. What is the email address attached to your Google Drive? And just click your email, the email on your Google Drive, and just read, then sign in, then click continue. And then read if so that you are aware about this process. And then, but don't worry, just I trust Multcloud. This is very nice. Okay, so if you want, you can read the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and everything. Okay, and just click allow. And here you are. You will see all of your documents in here. There's a lot. I do have a lot of documents. So, and then after that, mm, 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 oh, I think you can do a lot of things here. Task list, cloud transfer, team transfer, cloud sync, cloud backup, remote upload, shares, email migration. Oh, and add cloud. Okay, let's see this task list. Create a task, create a transfer task, create a team transfer task. Oh, I think this is very nice. If you want to manage your time, you can create a task here. Let's click it. Oh, you can write down. Okay. So on your task, you can go over and open the document, and then you will assign it to somebody here. Okay, click here to select the cloud drive or folder you'd like to transfer. Okay. All right. There's an options here. Once you click options, schedule, task 1, and then after you will transfer over those infos, you can click this transfer now. This is nice. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Multcloud, for creating this kind of platform. So next is team transfer. Okay. Team transfer. Transfer multiple accounts from one platform to another. For example, Google Workspace, OneDrive for business, Dropbox business, Box for business, and Share Drive. This is very beneficial for business purposes, right? Like if you guys do have a huge data that you want to protect, you guys can use this one. So for all of my fans and family that are running business, or to all of my subscribers and viewers who are running business, this is very, very nice. So next is Cloud Sync. Cloud Sync, it will create a sync task to sync files between cloud drives. Hmm. Real time sync, normal sync. Alright, this is very nice. There's a lot. There's a tips for simple sync, and then you can save it. Then once you wanted to sync those infos and clouds that you have, just click sync now. Next is cloud backup. Okay, this is nice to back up all of your informations here. Oh my gosh, this is very nice. How about this remote upload? Transfer files from links, torrents, magnets directly to your cloud. Let me click this one. Add link task, then save it to cloud. Hmm, what is this? Add, add. Please select cloud to. Let me click this one and then add. Okay, got it. Okay. Shares. You can manage all your shared files here. Oh, okay. This is nice. If I'm gonna share my files to my mom and dad, I can manage here. Mm. Or if I want to share my files to my sisters and cousin, I can manage it here. This is nice. Save shares. Hmm. So, email migration. Email migration. This is new. Migrate your email to cloud as a PDF. Oh, okay. Wow. This is very nice. All you have to do, guys, is just go to email migration. This is new features, by the way, that they have, and I think they are the only one who have this one. I haven't used any other platform aside from Google, so a good thing that there's Multcloud platform where we can do this out. This is nice. All you have to do is to click this add email and the Gmail that you have, Gmail, Outlook, or oh, Office 365 is coming soon. But I'm using only these two emails. But this is the first time that I know as well about Office 365 mail. Okay, that's nice. And then once you will add this email here, you will add this email to your Google Drive and then migrate now. You can schedule, you can filter the email here. You can create task. This is very nice. And then the next button here is my online services. Under that, you will see add cloud. Once you will click add cloud, you will see all of this. Click on the cloud drive to connect to your Multcloud. So if you want to connect your other um, datas in here, for example, if you do have Google Photos, just click this one so that it will be connected to your Multcloud. All right. And once it is already connected to your Multcloud, that's the time that you can do this process, these tools, these common tools. Okay, what else? Okay, this is nice. All right. I invite all of my friends and family members to get this Multcloud. You can this is it is very easy. All you have to do is to download the Multcloud application in Google Play Store and in App Store. And you can also manage your Multcloud by using the multcloud.com website. Okay? And you guys can enjoy this um features. All right. So thank you so much, Multcloud, for creating this kind of platform. We really appreciate it. It will make our life easy. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for watching my videos. So I hope that you guys will use this platform. This is very nice. All right. S- Um, please subscribe and like this video and share it to your family members. And please watch my other videos as well. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.